Hello, Tribe Forex traders. It's September 22nd, 2014. So let's talk about what happened last week really quickly. So from September 15th through the 19th, here are our pip totals. Actually, 671 pips as far as maximum favorable excursion, and that's how we determine that. We say it's going to go in a direction. If it's got a maximum favorable excursion, we add it to our pip counts. If it goes against us and we close out for a loss, we use a stop loss as a negative, so we negate that amount. Okay, so we subtract that amount from what we would have made, obviously. So what we had was 122 pips on the euro dollar, dollar Swiss plus 88 pips, pound dollar plus 134, dollar yen 0 pips. We didn't take a dollar yen trade. We should have just taken buys on that thing, I tell you. Aussie dollar plus 141, New Zealand dollar plus 37. And pound yen, euro yen 0, as we didn't take any yen pairs. And the dollar CAD plus 149 for a grand total of plus 671 pips. Now, looking at the pip totals, it looks like it was an easy week. It was not. It was quite a journey last week and the week before as the market continued to just move forward. And we had so much going on with the pound dollar and Scotland and that whole thing, and so much more going on, the dynamic shifting in the market. All right, so having said that, let's go straight to the charts and let me give you the calls for today. All right, so on this euro dollar, I'm actually going to be looking for a sell. We're going to stay in line with what we've been doing. I'm going to look for a 1.2875 sell on the euro dollar. All right, because we've got an area of support and resistance, nice trend line on the 4 hour specifically, and just a pod 3 stronger that's sitting right there. I'm going to look for a buy as well. Beautiful trend line here on the daily chart on the dollar Swiss, and that is currently at 0.9358. So I'm going to look for a buy at 0.9358 on the dollar Swiss. Now, the pound dollar has got a tremendous amount of strength, actually, and we knew that. What I'm going to look for now, though, is I'm going to look for a sell because there's a beautiful trend line that we're looking at right here at 1.6388. A lot going on there. We've got some pound dollar news. This pound news is going to come out, and we also have a lot of we've got the Fed speaking tomorrow, so we're going to look toward that as well. A lot can come out of that, obviously, either dollar strength, dollar weakness. We'll wait and see how that really turns up, how it manifests itself. So 1.6380s, we're going to look for a sell on the pound dollar. The dollar yen, we're actually going to take a trade for the first time in a couple weeks, and we're going to take a buy on the dollar yen, and we're going to take that buy at 108.56. Okay. Aussie dollar, we're going to look for a buy here as well. Oops, I apologize. We're going to look for a sell on the Aussie dollar, and that sell is going to be at 0.8897. So a sell on the Aussie dollar, 0.8897. The New Zealand dollar, we're actually going to hold off on that trade. We're not going to take a trade on the New Zealand. We have a bit of consolidation here. Really strong sell pattern that's showing up, but we're not going to take that. Pound yen and actually the euro yen, I'm going to stick to a no call on this. We can definitely see a sell here, and I see a potential sell at 178 or 17900, but I'm going to wait out and see exactly how this how the yen really reacts. So I'm going to look at the pound yen and the euro yen and wait and see what happens there, honestly. And the dollar CAD actually, I'm going to be looking for a buy at 1.1028. Right, we just have an area of support there. I'm going to be looking for support at 1.1028. Okay, and those are our calls for the session on September 23rd, 2014. Guys, also we have the live trade room that will be on tonight, 1 a.m. Eastern time. We'll be trading the European market, and then once again at 8 a.m. Eastern time, we will be trading the New York market. Just get the lines on the chart. You obviously don't have to do that. It's very, very simple to execute using the auto rev or the auto bias software. Guys, with that, I'll see you tomorrow. All the best. Bye-bye.